A technical corner video shot at the house today. We are talking about the VTS5340B, now also known as the Master Station. Now, this device has actually been out for some time, I believe. However, though not too many people know of its existence. It is an excellent device when using intercom, and especially intercom with DSS Professional. So I've actually got this tapped into my intercom unit, and I also have this connecting to my DSS, but I also have this connected to my cameras as well. The product itself is used for the actual telephony section of intercom, so you can have two-way communication from people at the various doors trying to gain access into the building. I can even use the device to call my DSS as well as. So in this case here, I think it's an excellent device. I'm going to show you a couple of features today, and yes, I think you will be quite impressed. Okay, now with my assistant Tyler there, we have a VTO set up. Now Tyler's going to press the button in a few seconds. I've actually got Tyler over there just because obviously the feedback will be great. But let's just see the functionality of the VTS when integrating with a VTO. Okay, Tyler, press the button.
Calling now. Please wait a moment.
Test, 1, 2, 3.
The door is unlocked. The end of the call.
Perfect. Okay, let's just take a look at the two-way speech options that we have on the Master Station. So first of all, I suppose I can communicate to the device from DSS. So I guess into access management, call center, Master Station, I can ring it. Test, test, test. Perfect. Then, of course, I could use the Agile app. So, management station. Cool. Perfect. I might not accept that one because they're going to be quite close. If I wanted to, I could even use my Master Station to call back to DSS. We obviously started mentioning at the beginning that it's a good communication device with VTO, so let's just check. So there's our VTO camera, and if I wanted to, I can just open up that door right here, right now.
The door is unlocked.
Perfect. And then of course we can have two-way communication with this also. Now, as you can see, I have zoomed right in here on the actual Master Station here, and take a look at this option. I think this is brilliant. So what I'm going to do is click on Monitor, IP Camera, and I've added 4 cameras including TOC2 to the device. So I guess if we go to, let's say, front, you see that the old Christmas tree lights are already out. Next channel. Driveway, next channel. That's the Hunter, high elevation. Next channel. And TOC2. Right, now take a look at this. So let's click on split here. I love this. Click on plus. I'm going to say, actually let's do that. Let's click on the VTO from that unit there. Then let's go into IPC and have front. Let's click on IPC and let's have driveway. And then IPC TOC2. So basically, I also have like a decoder to be able to see all of my live views. That's excellent. Now, as you can see with this device, it seems like a gift that keeps on giving. So the unit itself supports HDMI out, which means that effectively I have a spot monitor, but I've also got improved communication visual. So then, of course, like now, if I wanted to, let's do this. Let's go into IP camera. Let's do that split again. Let's do all cameras this time. So front, drive, Hunter, TOC2. Absolutely perfect. I suppose if I go back to this one, I can go into VTO. Here we are here, and
The door is unlocked.
And of course, if anybody did press the button while I'm in this lovely CCTV view or video surveillance view, then of course, let's see.
Calling now. Please wait a moment.
How cool is that? Okay, I believe this is an excellent device. So the device is very useful for the intercom category. We of course obviously used it with DSS Pro and it has worked very well. We used it with the DSS Agile and then of course it was very useful also. The fact that I can actually log into the device and then see 4 concurrent active deterrent cameras or any other camera for that matter, I think it's a brilliant element. The HDMI connection on the side, I think this is going to be a very popular device. It's actually been out for a long time now. Not that many people know about it. However, though, I hope with this video, then of course we can actually get this product out there because I think you will be quite happy with its performance. Okay, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. All the best.